guys, what's up? It's Morgan. Welcome back to my channel. Ignore my voice. I lost it yesterday. And since I lost my voice, I thought it'd be the perfect time to do a prank on my mom. So we're doing the coughing up blood prank. I've kind of been like coughing around her to like make it seem I'm sick. We are gonna make like some fake blood. This like little fake blood that we found on Pinterest, we're gonna make it, so yeah. So these are our ingredients. We have powdered sugar. And we put some in here with water and red food coloring. I have some green food coloring. This is gonna make it dark. Like that much.
Yeah. Okay, start off small. Well, how much did he put in the video?
Like
a lot. Oh, yeah, that's good.
That's a good. I think
Is too much?
Last time I put like a whole scoop
Yeah,
in
you
there.
did.
Does that just like make it thick, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It still looks freaking
brown.
purple. Oh yeah, brown. It's probably the cocoa powder. Well, no, they put cocoa
Maybe I
powder in
need
it
more
though.
powdered sugar.
Oh, yeah.
Like a little bit.
Start off small.
Skin test. It's getting there.
You sound like a little kid with your voice. Skin there. Like a
Little boy.
yeah, skin there.
I hate y'all.
Yeah, try it.
For real.
Might be as
Maybe
good
add
as
more
it's
red.
good.
More red?
Does it taste like sugar?
Yes. We'll just add all this in there.
Should test it too in your mouth and cough it out.
That looks better.
That looks
As
good.
good as it gets.
We shouldn't mess with it anymore, huh?
No.
What does it mean if you cough up blood?
You have cancer.
Bronchitis.
For real?
I think yeah, some type of cancer.
I'm lucky, but sometimes you stink. But I am. Give me a knife, babe. Would you close that up, please?
What?
Are you girls gonna make it?
Who?
Both of you coughing?
That's her.
That's only me. They're not coughing.
Leo was coughing too.
God.
Did you really?
Is it contagious?
It's, a lot of times, it's not that she gets real sick like with fever or anything, you know what I mean? Yeah. It's more like an allergy or, and it goes away in a couple days, so you could just have fun with your voice.
This is not fun.
seriously?
Mommy,
You can't go in the kitchen? I mean, the bathroom?
Mommy, there's blood everywhere.
Boo. Boo.
Are you okay?
You get scared?
No, we just
What do you mean?
told you. If you didn't tell me, I would have been freaking. You told me.
Dang.
You was in there. So it would have worked.
It would have.
Yeah. When I seen that, I would have, charged you.
You told her?
No.
Yes, you did.
No.
Why did you tell her?
I did not tell her. Okay, I told her.
Why?
Because I didn't want her to have a heart attack. She's old. Did she go along with it?
No.
What'd she do?
She said, Chach, come on. Come on.
God, she ruined it. Why are you filming me?
Because.
I'm filming you back.
Too late. I'm leaving.